Getting a Hollywood smile, tips and tricks. Having a beautiful smile is one of the best ways to boost your self-confidence. But for those who don't have a naturally perfect smile, achieving the perfect Hollywood smile can be a challenge. Fortunately, there are a few dental tips and tricks that can help you get the perfect smile you've always wanted. A Hollywood smile is a type of smile that is characterized by even, white teeth that are perfectly aligned. It is often seen on celebrities and has become a popular trend among people who want to boost their confidence. To get a Hollywood smile, you will need to take some steps to make sure your teeth are healthy and looking their best. The first step to getting a Hollywood smile is to visit your dentist for a professional cleaning. This will help to remove any plaque and tartar buildup that can cause discoloration and other dental issues. Your dentist may also recommend other treatments such as teeth whitening or veneers to help you achieve the perfect smile. In addition to professional cleaning, it's important to maintain good oral hygiene at home. Brush your teeth twice a day and floss once a day to remove any food particles and plaque that can cause discoloration or other dental issues. You should also avoid sugary and acidic foods and drinks, as they can damage your teeth. You may also want to consider using a whitening toothpaste or mouthwash to help remove surface stains and discoloration. You can also try using a whitening strip or tray to help brighten your teeth. Just make sure to follow the instructions carefully and don't use them too often, as this can cause damage to your teeth. If your teeth are severely stained or crooked, you may want to consider other treatments such as veneers or braces. Veneers are thin porcelain shells that are placed over the front of your teeth to give them a more uniform shape and color. Braces can help to straighten your teeth and give you a more even smile. Finally, it's important to take care of your teeth after you get a Hollywood smile. Make sure to brush and floss regularly and visit your dentist for regular checkups and cleanings. This will help to keep your teeth healthy and looking their best for years to come.